How to allow WhatsApp access to photos. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can allow WhatsApp to have access to our photos. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. To allow WhatsApp access to your photos, the process might differ on Android and iPhones, but you can pretty much follow the same steps. On Android, we can simply open up settings and we can scroll down and go to the option called apps over here. From apps, of course, we can simply scroll down and just select only WhatsApp over here, from where we could go to permissions. And when we go to permissions, we can see the option photos and videos. So we can simply select always allow all or allow limited access if you want to only allow a certain folder, but you can select always allow if you want to go ahead and then allow the photos access. So this way you can enable photos access to WhatsApp or other apps on Android. On iPhone, you can go to settings, search for privacy and security, and from there you can allow the permissions for your camera or photos and videos manually. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.